Hurricane Irene by Audrey Schmale. Brief explanation. Hurricane Irene was on August 21st to August 28, 2011. It is ranked as the 7th costliest hurricane in American history. There were a total of 56 fatalities. The highest wind speed was 195 kilometers an hour, which is rated 5 on the Saffir-Simpson hurricane scale. However, the hurricane was only rated a Category 3. Where was Hurricane Irene? Hurricane Irene affected Puerto Rico, Greater Antilles, Hispaniola, Eastern United States, North Carolina, Connecticut, Bahamas, Turks and Caicos Islands, New Jersey, Dominican Republic, New York, Lesser Antilles, and Eastern Canada. What causes hurricanes? Over the warm ocean water of the tropics, the warm air rises. It is replaced by cooler. The cooler air will warm and start to rise. This causes huge storm clouds to form. These clouds will begin to rotate with the spin of the earth. The cycle continues, and the storm clouds and wind speeds will grow, therefore creating a hurricane. How big was the hurricane? Hurricane Irene was about 1/3 the size of the U.S. Atlantic coastline. It was approximately 690 miles long. Preparedness. Pre-season preparation. Know all evacuation routes. Have proper tools and supplies. Before the storm. Pay attention to local weather reports. Have proper tools. Have house boarded up with storm shutters in place. During the storm. Stay in a secure room. Stay away from windows. Don't use the phone. After the storm. Report down power lines and use stored food and water.